Land Remediation Relief can help with taxes in all areas of commercial property where companies have to pay corporation tax. Land Remediation Relief is different from capital allowances in that both property investors and developers can use it. Here are the different types of relief. Owner-occupier or investor rate is 150%. Developer rate is 50%. For loss-making companies, a tax credit, cash in hand, can be claimed of 24%. Costs like cleaning up contaminated land, removing asbestos from buildings, digging up structures, and treating harmful organisms. And naturally occurring contaminants, like Japanese knotweed, radon, and arsenic, are all eligible. There may be help for new construction, redevelopment projects, fit-outs, and refurbishments. The time limit for retrospective claims is up to 3 years. Land remediation relief is often not maximized, as it must be actively claimed. If the savings are taken into account when evaluating bids, potential bidders may be able to raise their bids to match. When property is held as an asset, like a retail portfolio, the full 150% must be claimed in the year that the expense was made. In terms of money, this means a 30% savings on all expenses claimed on land remediation relief if corporation tax is 20%. When a developer sells a piece of property, for example, he or she gets a 50% benefit because all construction costs are fully written off on the profit and loss account. This means that the excess over 50% can be claimed. The amount over 50%, land remediation relief, can only be claimed when the property is sold. In terms of money, this means a 10% savings on all expenses claimed on land remediation relief if corporation tax is 20%. The only restrictions are that a company is not entitled to claim where any of the following applies. The land is polluted because of the claimant company. The company that is making the claim doesn't have a major interest, freehold, or a minimum lease of 7 years. The costs have been cut down, for example, through grants. The cost of buying the land was lowered to account for the cost of fixing it up, and this was written into the purchase agreement. Let's have a further look into some of the relief available for land and redevelopments. Derelict Land Relief was put in place by the Finance Act of 2009 to help get abandoned sites back into use. To be eligible, a site must have been listed as abandoned on the English National Land Use Database since April 1, 1998. For sites that qualify, there is a generous relief available for demolishing and getting them ready for redevelopment. A UK company can choose to get a payable credit from HMRC if it has a loss in an accounting period during which it spent money to clean up contaminated or abandoned land. The amount of tax credit that can be claimed is 16% of the qualifying land remediation relief for the accounting period that the claim is for. The cash return is equal to 24% of the cost for both investors and developers. 16% multiplied by 150% equals 24%. Retrospective claims are available on expenditure incurred within 2 years from the year end within which the expenditure was incurred. Hopefully, this video has given you a better understanding of how the land remediation relief scheme works and how much relief your company could receive from the scheme. From rising energy prices to soaring inflation, UK SMEs are grappling with a number of significant business challenges going into the next financial year. You can't control many of these factors. What you can control is how well you improve your cash flow, prepare for the unexpected, and make the right choice for your business's near-term future. This may be one of the most volatile periods in recent history, but we can help you meet your growth plans through tax incentives aimed specifically for your business. It's easy To speak with us, click the link in the description to arrange a callback from a tax specialist in our team. We'd love to talk to you, so please reach out for complete peace of mind.